It's midnight in London. A 7-foot-tall cat in the hat is just standing in the street. This exact video terrified millions of people on TikTok this week. My cousin sent it to me and said, "Ava, is this real?" The answer is no. It is 100% AI generated. But here is the bigger problem. If you tell your friend, "This is a false video," every native speaker will immediately hear that you are still learning. In this episode, you will learn the difference between fake, false, and artificial in simple English, so you never make Ben's super embarrassing mistake. Forget the textbooks. Learn real English with us. Welcome to the Loft. Welcome back to Ava and Ben's English Loft. I am Ava, your host.
And I am Ben, your favorite disaster example.
Today's Loft lesson is about one viral trend and 3 English words that almost everyone confuses. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly when to say fake, when to say false, and when to say artificial. And you will hear Ben's story about how he panicked his entire family with just one wrong word.
Oh, it was so bad. My mom really thought London was in danger.
Stay till the end because we will practice 3 perfect sentences together that you can use tomorrow, and they will make you sound instantly more fluent. Ready, Ben?
Ready, let's fix my mistake.
So, what actually happened? Let's explain it in simple English. B1 to B2. No difficult words. Last week, a video went viral. Very, very viral. It shows a huge, scary cat in the hat. You know, the children's book character? But this one is not cute. It is tall, dirty, and it stands on a real street at night. Cars drive past. The video looks super realistic.
How many people saw it?
Millions. On TikTok and Instagram Reels. The BBC reported about it 2 days ago. Teenagers were really scared. They thought it was real. They shared it and wrote, "Oh my God, look what was seen in London last night."
But it was not real?
Not real at all. It was made with AI video tools. You can now type a prompt like, "A realistic cat in the hat standing on a London street at night," and the AI creates a fake video in seconds. It is artificial. This is important cultural context. In English, when we see something like this, we don't say false video. We have very specific words, and this is where many learners make a mistake. Because in many languages, you use one word for everything. In English, we don't.
Yes. In my head, it was all the same. Fake, false. What's the difference? I thought false just sounds more serious.
Many people think that, but native speakers hear a big difference. A fake video is a video that pretends to be real, but is not. A false statement is when the information is not true. And we will break it down right after Ben's story. But first...
Okay, so this is my disaster. It was Tuesday night, like 1 in the morning. I couldn't sleep. I was scrolling TikTok in bed, just half asleep, when this cat in the hat video pops up. And wow, it looked so real. The dark street, the rain, even the cat's fur moving in the wind. For like 10 seconds, I completely believed it. My heart was actually racing. I thought, is this really happening in London right now? Should I be worried? Then I scrolled down to the comments. And everyone was writing, "Guys, this is AI, it's fake, don't fall for it." And there was even a link to the BBC article. So I felt so relieved. I was like, okay, it's not real. It's just an AI-generated fake video. Thank God.
So far, so smart. You checked.
Exactly. I felt so smart. And then I thought about my family. My mom, my dad, my aunt. They are always sharing scary videos in our WhatsApp group without checking. I wanted to be the helpful one for once. I wanted to warn them before they saw it and panicked, so they wouldn't worry. So I forwarded the video to our family group at 1 in the morning and I wrote super confidently, "Guys, don't worry. This is a false video from London. No danger. It's false. Don't be scared."
You wrote false video to calm them down?
Yes, I thought false sounds more serious, more formal, more calming, like a news reporter. Official update. This is a false video. I wanted to sound reliable. And then it completely backfired. My mom woke up and wrote back immediately. "Ben, what do you mean false? What is false? Is the street false? Is London false? Are you saying the information is false? Ben, are you safe? I'm confused." My dad wrote, "Ben, do you mean fake? Like the video is AI fake?" And my aunt sent a voice message at 1:15 in the morning. "Ben, honey, if it's false, why did you send it? Is it fake or not? We don't understand." I wanted to stop the worry. I wanted to say, the video itself is not real. It was made by AI. Don't worry. But because I used the wrong word, I actually created the confusion. I had to call my mom for 10 minutes at 1 in the morning to explain what I really meant. She was not happy.
That is perfect and so relatable. You had the right intention. You wanted to help, but one wrong word changed the whole meaning. Let's break it down. Super simple. Think of it like this. Fake is for things and objects. Something that was made to look like the real thing, but it is not real. It pretends to be real. A fake handbag, a fake ID, a fake smile, a fake video. The video itself is the object, and it is not real. It was manufactured.
So my video was a fake video, not a false video. Because the video file itself is not real.
Exactly! Perfect. The TikTok Cat in the Hat video is a fake video. Or even better and more modern, an AI-generated video, or a deep fake. False is for information, ideas, and statements, something that is not true. A false statement. False information. A false alarm. False news.
So if I say the cat was seen in London, that sentence is false. The information is not true.
Yes. The statement, "the cat was seen in London," is false because it never happened, but the video showing the cat is fake. Do you hear the difference? One is about the object, one is about the truth of the information. Quick test for you at home. You can remember it like this. You can hold a fake thing. You can say a false thing. You can hold a fake watch in your hand, but you say a false sentence with your mouth.
Oh, that's good. Hold fake, say false. Hold fake, say false.
Exactly. Let's give them 3 more super common examples, because this is where you will sound native. Number 1. If someone makes a copy of expensive shoes and sells them for 20 euros, those are fake shoes, not false shoes. Number 2. If your friend says London is the capital of France, that is a false statement, not a fake statement. Number 3. If you get an email from Netflix asking for your password, that is a fake email, because the email itself pretends to be from Netflix, but is not.
Okay, wow. So I should have written, this is a fake video, the information in it is false. Both in one sentence.
Yes, now you got it. And there is one more word that makes you sound super fluent in 2026. In 2026, we have a third word you need: artificial and AI generated. Artificial just means made by humans or machines, not natural. Artificial intelligence. Artificial flowers. It is neutral, not negative. A fake handbag tries to trick you. Artificial flowers just look like flowers. They don't try to trick you. But for videos and images today, the best, most natural word is AI generated. If you say, "This is an AI generated video," every native speaker in 2026 will instantly understand you perfectly. It is the modern, precise word.
So, what should I have written to my family to sound natural?
The perfect native sentence is, "Guys, this is a fake AI-generated video. Don't worry, it's not real. The whole thing is artificial." Short, clear, natural.
This is a fake AI generated video. This is a fake AI generated video. That's so much better than false video.
And one more super useful phrase for you. When you believe a fake video is real, we say, "You fell for it." I fell for a fake video. Or, don't fall for fake videos on TikTok.
I totally fell for it. I fell for a fake video at 1 a.m. and scared my mom.
And now you will never fall for the word mistake again. Let's practice together so it really sticks. Your turn. Repeat after us. Out loud. Don't be shy. 3 sentences. B1 to B2, but they will make you sound C1. Ready? Sentence 1. Repeat after me. This is a fake video. It was AI generated.
This is a fake video. It was AI generated.
Perfect. One more time, a bit faster. This is a fake video. It was AI generated.
This is a fake video. It was AI generated.
Sentence 2. This one is for correcting information. That statement is false. The video is fake.
That statement is false. The video is fake.
Beautiful. Notice, statement is false. Video is fake. Hold fake, say false. Again.
That statement is false. The video is fake.
Last one, the most useful one for social media. I fell for a fake video, but now I know it's artificial.
I fell for a fake video, but now I know it's artificial.
Amazing! If you can say those 3 sentences without thinking, you are already more precise than 90% of learners, and natives will notice. You will sound clear, modern, and confident.
And you won't panic your mom at 1 in the morning. Trust me.
Let's recap your 3 takeaways from the Loft. 1. Fake is for things that pretend to be real. Fake video, fake bag, fake email. You can hold it. 2. False is for information that is not true. False statement, false information, false alarm. You say it. 3. For 2026, use AI-generated or artificial for the most natural sound. This is an AI-generated video.
Thank you, Ava. I will never write false video again. Promise.
And thank you for listening. If you don't want to make Ben's mistake, subscribe to The Loft and hit the bell. And comment below, have you ever fallen for a fake video? Write, "I fell for it," or "never." We read every comment.
See you in the next disaster. Don't fall for the next fake.
Bye from The Loft.